Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased, changing the world one person at a time. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super excited, folks. Step into Corinne's fashion world. We can make a difference because our world is your world. So live your dreams and become a part of Corinne's fashion world. Well, welcome back to another style video. I'm so excited about this video. I hope you guys caught the last one. If not, go back down to my timeline and check it out. Go back on my page and check it out. But today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to style a crochet jacket. That's right, not a jacket, a vest. A crochet vest, a crochet vest, a crochet vest like that. Get excited, everybody. So I'm going to show you how to style it. This is a loop vest that I made. I think it was the beginning of this year. Was it the beginning of this year or right before the pandemic or after the pandemic? I'm not sure, but it was in, it looks like this. Let me show you. It says a vest full of loops, like that. So that's what the front looked like. And this is what the back looked like. I hope you guys can see it. Can you see it? It looks like that. So I'm excited about this vest. So I'm going to show you how to style it two ways, okay folks? Two ways, get excited. So the first way I'm going to show you how to do it, you can dress this vest up, which I like. You can dress it up. I made a 24-hour crochet dress. I did this in 24 hours. I'm going to have the pictures where you can see it. It looks like this. It's very long. It's a long dress, very long. And you guys will be able to see it because the pictures and stuff are going to be right here. So it looks like this. And I love this. Oh my God, I'm in love with this. I did this in 24 hours. Oh my God, I had to challenge myself. I really had to challenge myself. But I'm going to show you how to dress it up with the vest. You can wear long earrings with it. With that, like that. And you also can wear some shoes. And you also can wear shoes with it. So don't laugh, folks, because the shoes are going to be mismatched. And what I was doing a couple of years ago, I was revamping shoes. So I bought the shoe like this. Isn't that blue pretty though, right? It's pretty. But then I transformed it into this with magazine papers. I went to the magazine, cut up the papers, and I used Mod Podge to put them on. So this style is in the video, as you can see. So you can dress it up with that and your long earrings like you see me doing here. And with the vest. Oops, sorry folks. And with the vest. So this is very versatile. You can dress it up or you can play it down. Get excited, everybody. So this is called the loop stitch. For those of you who may ask, it's the loop stitch. I have a video on here on my YouTube channel that would basically show you how to create the loop stitch. I like the loop stitch. I don't like the ones that they cut, the shaggy one. I don't like the way it looked. To me, it looked real messy, and I kind of like this a little more. This is, you know, I like the style better. I have also a short black and white one. I'm probably going to put the picture up so you can see that one as well. So I turned it upside down. You can turn it upside down and shake your loops out. And this is versatile. So as you can see how I'm modeling the dress with it. I'm excited about it. I love this dress. I got over I think 5,000 likes on it on Facebook in a Facebook group. So I like that. Now stay tuned for the pants. Get excited, everybody. Get excited. Stay tuned for look 2. Stay tuned for look 2. Stay tuned for look 2. Get excited. Look 2. This style you can dress down with the vest jacket. You can use some shades like I have on now, which you're gonna see in both with the dress and the cut up jeans like this. The cut up jeans, so you can dress up the vest with the cut up jeans. What I did with my jeans, because I kind of wore them out, but I still love these jeans. So I just took some safety pins and pinned them so they can look a little more stylish. Yes, you can use safety pins to pin up your jeans and make it look more fashionable. Get excited, everybody. So that's what I did with that. Those are the two looks. I hope you guys got something out of it. So the first look is more like a dressy look when you want to dress up your, if you're going out for your birthday or you're going out to a special occasion, you can use your vests. They come in a variety of colors. I'll drop the link in the comment section. You can customize your look. In other words, you can customize the vest to your liking. Alrighty, folks. And then the dress, also you can customize the dress as well to the color that you like the most. Is great. This dress is excellent for if you're going on special occasions. Oh my God, I love this dress. I think this is one of my favorite creations, favorite designs so far in 24 hours. It didn't take me but 24 hours. 24 hours to create this dress, and I'm excited. But anyway, folks, get excited about life. So I hope you got something out of this video. If you like these style videos, leave a thumbs up on this video. Comment below. Tell everybody you know I'm over here making a mark that cannot be erased. I'm a crochet designer. I'm a fashion designer. I'm a beauty influencer. And most of all, I'm the strong and powerful Corinne making a mark that cannot be erased. Everybody get excited about life. And guess what? Believe something good is going to happen to you. No matter what the situation look like, believe something good is going to happen to you. Alrighty? Don't forget to hit the notification ring a ding 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 bell button so you know when my videos are uploaded. Alrighty, folks? And most of all, don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys next time. Until next time, everybody, get excited. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Later, folks. Later, later, later. Get excited, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Comment below. And on your way out, hit the bell button for notification. Until next time, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Get excited. Get super excited.